Rajiv sir, you have been my ideal. I am Rajiv also.
Okay, absolutely.
And meeting.
Namesake होने में बड़ा power होती है.
Yes sir, thank you so much. So you have been inspiring since I started watching news, and you are the Cell Guru, and I am proud to interview you today, sir.
Thank you.
So thanks for the opportunity. I just, you are at this DLS stall. What attracted you to be part of this launch?
So I get invites like this. I'm sure without me chest thumping, I get invites like this maybe twice a day, right?
Right.
लेकिन मैं वो वाले product को choose करता हूँ, that product that actually stands out, that is able to do something that the others are not being able to do, which is a game changer in its field, right? So while the tech here, to some people maybe यार ये क्या है 64 touch, ये EDLA ये सब क्या है? When you actually try it out, you will understand how important the whole thing is. But more importantly, like I even said before I unveiled this, is that this is a product that is an Indian company has actually taken on the mantle. We will do something for the Indian student that others are not doing. It's not only about the great display technology,
right.
The fact that it's a 64 touch EDLA, the fact that it has so many other whiteboard features like the Mannat software. They put the hardware and the software together to see which are the pain points for teachers, for classrooms, for entire schools, for students, and they found solutions to it. And each solution is a pain point that they have solved. So, where there is great innovation, I'm always there to support it, and that's why I'm here today. Okay, this is a game changer. I see this eventually even in schools that cannot afford something like this. I see the government playing a huge role, because this is as good as a teacher on their own, right? I'm not saying that teachers की jobs खत्म हो जाएंगी. I'm just saying that teachers will be able to do a 100x better job with something like this, and students will also be able to. The entire lesson that has been put out here is immediately recorded. The entire animation that has been done out here is available as notes. Can you imagine the level that you can go to if you're a prudent student, somebody that really wants to learn? This is one of the best tools you can get, and the kind of control that teachers, principals, headmasters, and the entire school faculty can have. क्या education दी जा रही है, कैसे दी जा रही है, क्या quality है, right? It can all be monitored. So I find the pain points that they have solved to be fantastic, and I find this to be an absolutely incredible innovation.
So how do you see the Make in India initiative being now, taking leap in education system?
So Make in India to me in the beginning was a gimmick. It was more a thappa than reality. In the last 2 years, we've started seeing that the incentives are good enough for people to make very large scale investments. Here's a company. It's not like this is not a multinational, right? This is completely a company that is 100% homegrown Indian company. But look at how confident they are now with the Make in India program will take their product forward. So now in the last 2 years, I'm seeing real innovation coming in. I'm seeing real changes that are starting to come in. I think the Make in India will change to Made in India finally. That's what I have been waiting for. Because there is a huge gap and difference between Make in India and Made in India.
Right.
These will all become Made in India from top to bottom, and that will be a very proud day for all of us.
No one can better tell us about Made in India and Make in India difference. So one thing, last thing about what will be your message to your educators, school institutions to adopt new technology and don't run away? What will be your message?
Whether it is this kind of technology, a lot of people are very afraid of technology because they are unfamiliar with it. I'm just putting this out there from me directly. Embrace technology. It is the way forward. Those people जो ये type की technology नहीं use करेंगे, AI नहीं use करेंगे, interactive panels use नहीं करेंगे, they will get left far behind. Because the difference is those that are using it will be able to do things 10x faster, 10x better. But that also means those that are not using it are going to be 10x behind. So embrace technology, learn it. It's a very, very interesting field. It's not complicated, it's not complex. A lot of people think it is. It's a very easy way to take education forward like India has never seen before.
That's great, sir. Thank you so much. I'll just join with you in the frame because I follow you everywhere and you provide a lot of information with the tech. For the young people, you are the icon, and you will be always a Cell Guru for us. Thank you, sir. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you very much.